Hello, welcome to XUCPA channel. Happy New Year and happy 2025. We are starting tax season all over again, and as usual, January is the month for deadlines. It's going to be one deadline after another deadline and more deadlines. So as a business owner, obviously, it's a busy month for you because you are just starting the new year. And if you feel overwhelmed already, before you feel overwhelmed, at least I would like to give you some explanation of different kinds of deadlines you should pay attention to. So the first deadline I want to talk to you about is the January 15 deadline. Typically is for your estimated payment 1040E SPV4. Now the good news is if you have missed the deadline or you have not submitted your 1040ES payment voucher number 4, for those of you in Texas, if you are affected by Hurricane Beryl, you do actually have extended timeline to submit the payment all the way to February the 3rd. Now, if you're a business owner and you're trying to get ready for all these deadlines, what I recommend also is that you need to make sure that your financial statements are accurate for the last year, which is for 2024. Make sure that you review your financial statements with your accountants. Make sure that your bank accounts, your credit cards account, your loan accounts, and all kinds of accounts are properly reconciled for the year. Now, January 31st is a very big deadline for many business owners because it's the deadline that you have to distribute and file your 1099 NEC. You do have a bit more time to file your 1099 MISC, but most people or most vendors expect to receive your 1099 NEC or 1099 MISC. Now, NEC is the form that you issue to any vendors or contractors performing services for you for the amount of $600 and above. So if you hire someone, you hire contractors and you pay them to do the work for you for 2024 and you pay them $600 and above, you do need to issue 1099 NEC. If you pay rent or any other payments, you need to issue them 1099 MISC. So you do need to make sure that you have a legitimate signed W-9 and it is not with fake numbers. Now the consequences for not issuing 1099 could be material. Like in the case of an IRS audit, you do get penalized, there's a failure to file and your deductions may be disallowed if you don't issue 1099 to your contractors. There's another deadline that you have to pay attention to, which is your payroll reporting deadlines and the payroll reports that you have to submit if you hire employees. You have to distribute in January the W-2s, the W-3, you have to file the 941, the 940, and with Workforce Commission of specific state where you hire your employees. Now, outside of that, I also want to remind for those of you who have filed extension for your personal and your business tax return, if you're affected by Hurricane Beryl, your last due date to submit your tax return is February the 3rd, and there's just not many weeks left to file your business and personal tax return. So this is a time to make sure that you reach out to your accountant, make sure that if you need to provide information, make sure that you provide all your information because it's such a busy month. I understand that compliance can sometimes be a headache and it's overwhelming. It is a burden for many business owners, but I do really encourage that you continue to check on this channel and you watch these videos, and hopefully by explaining these different deadlines to you, if you need help, you can always call us. It's 832-295-3353. Otherwise, at least you stay informed of different kinds of deadlines that you need to meet as a business owner, because without meeting those deadlines, you then have compliance issues, and compliance issues often bring penalties, interest, which to me is unnecessary for any business. Thank you so much for watching today. I would definitely continue to work with the team to continue to provide more content, and if you can like, share, subscribe to this channel, we'll be very encouraged to continue to produce more for you. Till then, goodbye.